on Monday, the 3rd of July. New Bitcoin update. Bitcoin following the plan. Well, not much happened on the higher time frame last week. Bitcoin has been consolidating with only some stronger price action on Friday, with the drop from here taking out that low. This was right in my green box, which you could have. If you followed me on Twitter, you were warned for that. After that, yeah, sideways. Not much happening over the weekend. Still not much happening. Okay, this is. Let me remove that. This is a trade we are in. Yeah, this range over the weekend we did make here an ABC, but this also looks like an ABC, which is not super bullish. Could be a 1 to 5, but in general, yeah, you could also say this looks like a bearish flag, like this, which is usually a reversal pattern for more down or continuation, like this, continuation down. But yeah, it is weekend price action. It was, and it still is. We have tomorrow the 4th of July, so I do think the volatility will be low until Wednesday maybe. When I look at my elliott wave chart, gonna look on the lower time frame on this section, what actually happened last week, and a little bit of a warning. You can see that we did have a impulsive move up towards 31,200, then the correction with rejection at my red box, a bounce from my green box, and yeah, actually this looks like a bull flag, could break out. The weekend price action with this red box, this green box, all not that important, not that spectacular. We have to wait for some better price action, higher volatility. One warning though, as long as we are not breaking above that level, so this level, let me make it a bit clearer. We have the risk of doing a bigger correction. So we did have A, B, C. We bounce, but what I said, I do see here not a very strong bounce. It is in an ABC. Could be that we are making this. So this was the first ABC, that we do have a bit of a bounce and then do make one more down. That is invalidated as soon as we break above 1. So that is 31,400. That is when the risk of that move down is invalidated. I'm not expecting it, but with that low volatility here, it could happen quite easily. But on the way down, well, there is a lot of inefficiency. And there is only here a small consolidation zone, but that would line up with this kind of move. This is a possibility which you have to keep an eye on. So, but if we come down, I would rather say this is a chance to load up more on longs than heavily shorting that. Another reason to be not super enthusiastic here is spot versus perps traders. White is spot, and you can see that they have been selling constantly, and they are not really strong buyers. You want to see this white line going up. That is when spot is trading, when spot is buying. So a little bit of a warning. But my feeling says we're just gonna continue higher, and let's see tomorrow if that is coming out or that we need to have a bit more patience. See you tomorrow.